Howdy everyone, this is Graham Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. The Aster Turtle Creek definitely qualifies for one of the best apartments in all of Dallas. It's a gorgeous high-rise. It's in the Turtle Creek area. It has so much to offer. Look at this fun space that we have here in this two-bedroom. Beautiful kitchen, a huge entertaining island here, gorgeous appliances, light and bright feel, all of the appliances that you need, all the cabinet space you need, and look, just all the window space you need too. You need this kind of view. If you're gonna really enjoy life in a high rise, it needs to look like this. It needs to have these kind of views. This is looking out over Turtle Creek, and then all of Dallas is all around as well, and Dallas, and you can see lots of Dallas here. You can see Preston Hollow, you can see Highland Park. There's just all kinds of beauty here in this area. What a fun place this would be just to enjoy life with yourself, that special someone, and then bring some friends and family here too to really enjoy it. They'll love it here too. So this is what it's like. This could be your life, like even in a few days. After you see the Turtle Creek, you get approved and you move in. It could be this fun, just enjoying life here. What I want you to do is, if you like what you see, send me a text. Just say, Grant, I'd like to get some more information about this beautiful apartment, and I want to see if the Aster is a good fit for me. And what we can do is set up a virtual live Zoom tour. And you can see exactly the apartments that match your availability, move-in date, and your needs. Send me a text, just use the number below, and I can't wait to make that happen for you, even as early as today. So send me that text. I look forward to hearing from you soon.